This video is to demonstrate how easy it is to create a survey or questionnaire in the Not a Number application. All the interfaces into the Not a Number application follow a very similar style, where you have active objects on the left-hand side of the screen and inactive objects on the right-hand side of the screen. In this particular example, we are working with a page object or a group object. It's normally called a group object to refer to groups of questions in a survey or questionnaire. Right now we're on page 1, and as you note, if you look down, we have created a note question as the first question in this page. A note question is just a very simple instructions or text that have no choices or no options. And if you click Edit on this previously created note question, you can see some of the details, where we have a title, some of the text for display, and the question type. I'm just going to close out of this right now. If you wanted to create a new question on this page, you would click on the New Group Question link. This will pop up, and I think we're going to create a text question. For title, which is not seen by the user, we're going to create the user of the survey, not the administrator. We're going to create text, call it text 1. We're going to write a little text for display. And make sure that it's specified as a text question. Once we hit create, this will be added to the bottom of the page. Note on the right, we have previously created questions that are not necessarily part of this page. So if I wanted to add a previously created question, I would actually just take that box and drag it to where I wanted it in the script, which could either be at the bottom or in the beginning or in the middle of the application. In this case, I'm going to put it right in the middle of the page. It'll take a second and then update, and you'll note that we have now Note 1, Radio 1, and Text 1, which are 3 questions for this page. Now, once you're here, you can do things like sort the questions in a different order by dragging and dropping. And we'll bring that back to its original form. You can also activate and deactivate questions if you don't want to remove them from the page, but don't want them to display at this time. So if I click on the deactivate link, in a second it'll turn gray, noting that when this is displayed, this question will not appear. And I'm going to activate it again for the demo. Now, if I wanted to take a quick look at what this looked like, I would click on the preview button on the left, and that would open up a new window. And here we see the note that we created with some sample text, the previously created radio button question, and the text question that we created for this demo. Excuse the generic look and feel of this page. One of the things that we can do with this application is specify CSS or cascading style sheets with the project so that a survey can look however the administrator wants the survey to look. Now, I just used some sample questions, but other things that we can do are add images, video, URLs, and specialized question types that are particular to research. The way that the database is structured and the code is structured is it's very modular, and so we can very quickly and easily create customized questions.